Hello everybody, welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our weather forecast for the United States for the next few weeks or so. So let's get into it. We will be talking about our tropical weather, severe weather, and all kinds of different weather today, as well as the temperatures. I'm a little sick, so you may notice a difference in my voice, but yeah, you guys will still be able to understand me. But yeah, let's get into it. So, firstly, let's go over our severe weather outlook for the next few days in the United States. Today is September 3rd, 2025. So let's start with our September 3rd severe weather outlook. So we do get a slight risk for severe weather and tornadoes for parts of Kansas and western Missouri. So make sure, if you're inside this risk, which includes the cities of Manhattan, Topeka, Kansas City, Sedalia, Wichita, I don't know if that's how you say Sedalia, but St. John, or anywhere near these areas like Hutchinson, Emporia, El Dorado, anywhere near those areas, just be sure to be watched out for some hail, strong winds, severe thunderstorms, and possibly some isolated tornado for the area. The areas that have the most likely to see isolated tornado is going to be Newton, McPherson, I don't know if that's how you say it, Hutchinson, Wichita, Junction City, Emporia, and Council Grove. So that's the isolated 2% tornado risk, where a few tornadoes will be a possibility today. Inside the yellow, so if you're inside the yellow, just be aware and make sure to take cover if you do get a tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm warning. We also do get a marginal risk surrounding it, going into the Panhandle of Texas and the Panhandle of Oklahoma, where a few scattered storms will be a possibility with a lower chance for tornadoes. Now let's go over our day 2 outlook for tomorrow, September 4th, as we do have a marginal risk expanding through parts of western New York to Pennsylvania, into all of West Virginia, almost, western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, and eastern Ohio, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility tomorrow with a low chance for tornadoes anywhere in that location, just a chance for some small hail and severe weather. We do not expect any severe weather in the United States for September 5th as of right now. So yeah, we're going to be seeing a lot of rain today over here in Michigan as some of these jet streams move over. But yeah, we're going to see a lot of rain in this area, as well as Chicago could also see a lot of rain today. And it's going to be pretty chilly. I mean, yeah, and you guys could also see just maybe some low flooding. There's a low chance for flooding, but still possibility for that location. Excuse me. Alright, now we're going to be talking about our tropical weather. So let's get into it. So we do have our tropical disturbance continuing over here in the Atlantic Ocean. It's kind of going towards the United States right now. As you guys can see it, it's this red tropical disturbance. There's a high chance for development of a tropical storm or a hurricane. This is day 2, 40% medium chance for development. Day 7, 80% high chance for development. Let's see what it says. It says Eastern Tropical Atlantic. A tropical wave located off the Eastern Tropical Atlantic a few hundred miles west of the Cabo Verde Islands continues to produce disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions remain conducive for additional development of the system during the next several days, and a tropical depression is likely to form late this week or this weekend. This system is expected to move westward to west-northwestward at around 15 miles per hour across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic into next week. So that's what we're expecting within that tropical disturbance. And the thing that need to be watched out for that tropical disturbance is that this could make an impact on the United States. Most of the models show that it's going to go up into the Atlantic Ocean and kind of just curve up there, but a few models just go actually into the United States, where a few impacts on the East Coast or the Gulf Coast could see an impact from this. And the name of it, if it develops, it would be Gabriel. So yeah. We also got to be talking about this Category 1 Hurricane Lorena. I think that's how you say it. Over here for parts of the Pacific Ocean. It's about to cross Baja California and then turn into a a tropical storm by September 6th. And we're supposed to become actually a tropical storm at September 5th, but it will continue and actually cross the Baja California, and then possibly even go into the United States after it goes into Mexico, causing little to no damage if it does go through there. It'll just be a tropical depression or even lower than that. As you guys can see, some of the spaghetti models actually show it actually going a very, very far distance. As you guys can see, it even goes through over here into the Atlantic Ocean as one of the models. I'm not expecting it to impact Indiana anymore, but I can't rule it out. But I think my expectation for Hurricane Lorena, I think it's just gonna do this, to be honest with you, something like that, or something like that, or it could just do this too, make a farther one. So yeah, or it might not even hit land. There's a small potential that I could just turn and go left, or I mean west, and kind of go that way. So yeah. Anyways, we do gotta talk about hurricane category 4 Hurricane Kiko over here. That's actually a category 4 that could impact Hawaii as a tropical storm and possibly even a category 1 hurricane. So make sure to be watching out for this if you're in Hawaii. I talked about that multiple different times of this being a possibility to hit Hawaii. So just make sure to be watching out for this for if you're in Hawaii. This actually does have a potential to turn into a category 5 hurricane, but it's a low possibility. Okay guys, the temperatures should stay the same for the next few days for the United States. For those areas, you know, the cooler temperatures. It's starting to get a little bit warmer out, but anyways, if you're in northeastern Wyoming, you guys have air quality alert for some smoke and ozone. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Stay weather aware, and I hope you have a good day. A few rainstorms will also be a possibility in northern Arizona and parts of Nevada and parts of southern Oregon. See you guys later in the next video.